guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shandell. Make sure you subscribe on your way. And if you're old, hey girl, hey. So basically today's video is about how to start a YouTube channel. Everyone's doing it, everyone loves doing it, and it's such a cool thing to do. When I first started, it just was a hobby for me. It was something I wanted to do after I had the baby. I wanted to share my experiences becoming a new mom and what I went through delivery. Like, it just was, you know, something I wanted to do as a hobby. So in this episode, I want to basically tell you my tips that I learned from starting it and doing videos. Alright guys, rule number one to starting a YouTube channel. First, create the channel. Start the channel, make the YouTube, do your Google, sign up for Google AdSense. I'll talk about Google AdSense a little bit later down the tips. But just start your channel. Start everything up, make an account so that you know you can get started. Number two, think about what kind of videos you want to film. So basically, speaking for myself, the kind of videos I do with my channel, I like to do mommy videos, I like to do cleaning videos, I like to do vlogs, anything. Basically showing motherhood, fashion. I have a couple of those on my channel. I will link those down below so that you can check them out. So basically just figure out what kind of content that you want to put out. You know, you don't have to stick to one thing. I know a bunch of people that do like makeup videos, some do like techie videos kind of thing. Do what, you know, makes you happy with it, and when you do, stick with it. Number three, cameras. So to be honest, you really don't need much to start your channel. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I use to start my channel. So when I first started out, I would use my iPhone. Handy dandy iPhone. To believe it or not, iPhone has some really good quality cameras and really good quality videos. So why not use it? You don't need to buy this big fancy camera, not yet anyway. But you know, that's what I started out with. I started out with a iPhone, using my camera for like a little bit of vlogs, and then I started out after with one of these, a camcorder. I got this camcorder from Walmart. I would use this to do my videos. I had a flip screen, but then I realized that I wanted better quality of, oops, sorry, you hear the thing, but I wanted better quality of my videos. So then I brought me a bigger camera, a newer camera, but you do not need to do all that yet. I've been doing YouTube maybe now for good like a year, 2.5 years maybe so, but iPhone, use your iPhone, it works. It's a great quality camera, why not? Lighting. Next thing we're going to talk about is lighting. Right now in front of me I have a ring light, and then I have like my dining room, you know, light on too. But believe it or not, you don't really need that as well. You can use natural lighting. You can use natural lighting when the sun hits. You can open up some windows, open up your blinds, and just use natural lighting. Now if your house is anything like my house is where the point where the sun hasn't set yet for right now for this video, so I didn't choose to use natural lighting. I chose to use my ring light. So but you can use natural lighting. Natural lighting is the best quality lighting you can ever use, and it gives you, you know, good skin tone, good, you know, visibility of everything. Natural lighting is the best thing. A tripod. So right now I have my camera on a tripod, and I also have my ring light on the tripod. I will show you how I have a little setup in a minute. But also when I first started out, when I was using my iPhone and I was just doing like vlogs and I would hold it, I would use a selfie stick. I would just put the phone right on there and just record. I would always record from the back camera. At that time I think I had like a 7 or an 8. I don't remember what iPhone I had, but I definitely did have one of the iPhones where the front camera wasn't like good enough to use, but it was more so the back camera. Now with, you know, the updated iPhones, you have the front camera, you have the portrait mode on the front camera, so you can use that. But get you a tripod, because when you do sit down videos like what I'm doing now, you don't want to hold your camera. Your arm's gonna get tired. You want to be able to sit it in front of you and, you know, have it look at you and you look right at it, you know. Next thing, editing software. So when I first started out, I was using iMovie. Sometimes, actually in the beginning when I first started out, I didn't use iMovie. I would just film my videos 100 times over and over and over again and try not to mess up. I would try to get it right. If I had to write down like what to say and have everything ordered, that's what I would do. But then I would move to iMovie, but then I realized like, okay, iMovie didn't really have what I want. But so then I went to Adobe Premiere. That's the software that I use now. Once I got the hang of it, I learned how to start using it. That's what I started editing my videos on. But you definitely can use iMovie. iMovie is definitely on your iPhone. You can try that out as well. There are other softwares that you can use now. I think like Filmore. I heard a bunch of people use Filmore before. Final Cut Pro. Those are just the pricier ones. Final Cut Pro, Adobe are pricier. iMovie is free. Definitely if you have a MacBook or whatever, you can use that. 7, be consistent. What I mean by be consistent is everybody doesn't really have the time to film every day. If you do, that's great, you know, great for you. But when you're first starting out, some people have jobs or, you know, whatever the case may be. In my case, I still work and I still do YouTube, and I'm also a single mom. So I film my videos every week, once a week, and I usually try to post on Saturday and Sunday where I know mostly people are watching at that time. You can do some during the week, but you know, I just choose to do on the weekend to do what's best for you. I know some people that post like 3 times a week, 2 times a week. You know, some people just do that. They stay consistent, and those are the more popular channels that people watch, because the more consistent you are, the more that your followers or your subscribers want to watch you. And you also should put on your page when to look for your videos. So if I post every weekend or every week, I will put on my like channel or my thing to say, hey, look for videos every week from me, so that they know when to look for a video. Number 8, most important, be yourself. You know, like when I first started, it was so weird for me to sit down in front of a camera and just talk. And I'm like, what do I say? How do I make this seem natural and real kind of thing? But as I started doing it more and more, I got comfortable, and I realized even though I'm talking to a camera, I am talking to you guys. So I started getting comfortable with my own skin. I started getting comfortable with just filming in front of people. I even had to get comfortable with, going out and filming vlogs and people watching me. And at the end of the day, they're probably like, this girl crazy, she's sitting there talking to a camera. But this is what I do. This is what I do on a daily basis. So okay, so what? They think that I'm crazy because I'm talking to a camera. So what? So what? They're probably gonna watch this video and be like, oh, that's that same girl that was sitting there talking to herself, but she not crazy because she's doing this video for us. So don't be scared. Be yourself. Let your personality come out. And I feel like, I wouldn't say I'm a very shy person, but I definitely was shy to start doing videos. But I had to just let that go and just be myself. I have a wonderful personality, and I'm sure that you do too. So why not share that personality with everyone? Number 9, backgrounds. So this could be a little tricky. Sometimes you might see yourself, or see me, not yourself, but see me do backgrounds like what I have now. And I have, this wall. I have like a little nice cute painting and stuff behind me. I might film in my room. I might film on a couch. Background, I feel like it's very important. Make sure that you have like nice things around you so that you can film. You guys can't see what's really behind me, but it's like a little wreath that my mom made for the house. But background is also important. That goes right along with your lighting. So some people film in front of a window. Just make sure that your background is clean, from like, if you have a baby and you're like me, toys, because toys is always all over the house. So make sure you have a clear background kind of thing, and make sure that maybe like put something cute. Put like a candle. I don't have nowhere to put a candle right now, but it is like a little flower kind of thing over here. But you can light a candle, have some cute stuff. It's times I have filmed behind in front of my like computer, where I had like my screen of my YouTube channel and everything. So just make sure, be creative with your background. You can have a backdrop. I also do have a backdrop pole and some backdrops that I also will film in front of too as well. So, you know, but like I said, those things can come later. Be creative. Put things in places. Like if you have like cute like decor, film in front of that cute decor and make sure that you can see it behind you. So just be creative. Number 10. Ooh, we got down to the nitty gritty. I feel like I did this fast, y'all. But far as number 10, remember to be patient. Your YouTube channel, when you're first starting out, you're not gonna automatically get 100 subs unless you're putting out, or 1,000 subs, should I say, unless you're putting out really good content. I'm personally not a really big channel, but I do make what I get, and I am really thankful for the people that is following me, that do like me, that did subscribe, that do like my videos, and that also do comment. I am very grateful. Thank you. I appreciate it. But remember that it takes time. So now that YouTube have new rules, you need to have 1, 4,000 watch times. 2, you need to have 1,000 subscribers in order for you to get paid. So you need to be able to put out videos after videos after videos. So you need to be making a good 100 views on those videos to start getting paid, so that your view times can go up and your subscribers. But my tip to you is, don't worry about that. The more you put out, and you put out good content, all of that will follow. I learned that the hard way. When I first started, I was so discouraged because I'm like, dang, I'm putting out all these videos and no one is really, you know, subbing to me, or I'm not getting the views that I think I would get on the videos. So I would get really discouraged and I would, you know, be sad about it. But I'm like, you know what? Let me just continue to do me. Let me just put out good content of videos. You can't even see my eyebrow. Looked like I was only one eye Louis. One eyebrow Louis. Anyway, but I was getting really sad about it. I'm like, no one's watching. I'm not getting, you know, the amount of subs I'm getting. Like, but I had to realize, like, it takes time. It's people who've been doing this for years who wasn't even at the, you know, the point they want to be at. But don't be discouraged. The money will come, but do not just do it for the money. Do it because you like it. Do it because you want to make other people happy. Do it because you have some information that you learn from life and you want to give it to others. So just remember, it takes time. All of that will come into place. Everything will fall in place the way you want to, okay? So I hope that you guys like these tips that I have shared with you from my own experience from doing YouTube. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, join our family, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye!